Hi there, students. Dirigible. Dirigible. Now, this word can either be an adjective or a noun. Let's look at the adjective first. Dirigible means possible to steer, steerable, something that you can direct. So dirigible, capable of being steered. And then you have a dirigible, which is an airship. Now, for example, the Hindenburg was a dirigible, the Zeppelin, a dirigible. Now, if you actually look at hot air balloons, normally a hot air balloon is this bag that you fill up with hot air and it floats. But a hot air balloon is not a dirigible because it just floats and is carried by the wind wherever the wind takes it. Whereas a dirigible, you can actually steer. So the dirigible has got propellers or an engine. It's like a hot air balloon or a helium structure with propellers or with things to direct it, to steer it. Okay, and this is a dirigible. Interestingly enough, there is still interest today in dirigibles because they use very, very little energy. And if you can get a dirigible high into the jet stream, then you can send them from one place to another very rapidly with the use of a small amount of fuel. And maybe dirigibles will be something of the future. Okay, so a dirigible, it's an airship. A dirigible, it's a type of aircraft or something that flies, and it moves under its own power. It's got some sort of gas inside it that lifts it, a gas that is less dense than the surrounding air. Now, originally, all the dirigibles were made with hydrogen. And hydrogen's a very good gas for a dirigible because it gives a lot of lift. The problem is it's dangerous, and what caused effectively the end of the dirigible was, well, the fact that aeroplanes were introduced, but also there were some very nasty accidents, viz the Hindenburg, which exploded. Okay, so a dirigible, it's a type of airship that moves through the air, but you can direct it, you can fly it, you can decide where you're going to take it, and that's the point. I guess in a high wind that could be problematic though. Let's see, the dirigible, it can have a solid outside skin, or it can be non-rigid as well. And nowadays they fill them with helium. Although helium itself is quite an expensive gas. It's quite difficult to extract from the atmosphere. But so a dirigible, it's a type of helium balloon that you can drive around in the sky. Yeah, it's dirigible because you are able to steer it, and that's the point about it. Let's see. This word dirigible comes from French dirigible, which means effectively steerable. Yeah, which comes from French diriger, to direct, from Latin dirigere, to direct. Yeah, so yeah, you're capable of directing it. A dirigible, formality. I think I'm going to give the word a 6 in formality, and then I would say use it anywhere, although it's not a particularly common word. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Dirigible.